Hi, today we will see how to activate complete parental control on our mobile. Giving mobile phone to kids is unavoidable due to this online class. However, kids also started using mobile phone for many reasons, to browse their study material or to watch funny videos. But there are some situations they may click on wrong websites that may redirect them to some adult violence websites or some dangerous apps or games. So it's completely our responsibility to activate complete parental control on our mobile before giving it to kids. So by changing these few settings on our mobile, we can protect our children from seeing some adult or violence images on the internet. So without wasting time, let's see what are those settings we need to change. The first and foremost is Play Store. Go to Play Store. Select your account. At the bottom, you can find setting option. Click that settings. Then select family drop down. Under this family drop down, you can find parental control. Parental control is off now. You should turn it on. Turn on. To turn on this option, you should have 4-digit password. Again give this password to confirm. Don't forget this password because you need this password in case if you want to change this preference in future. Then click apps and games. Based on your kid's age, you can set the preference. Then click save. Now the preference got saved. Based on the age you set, now apps and games will get listed down here. The second one is YouTube app. Go to YouTube. Select your account. Then you can find settings option. Click that settings. Then select general option on the top corner. Select this general option. Come down. Here you can find out restricted mode. Turn on this restricted mode. This restricted mode will screen out most of the potentially mature content on the YouTube. The third one is Google app. Go to Google app. You have already signed in. Then at the bottom right corner you can find more option. Click this more option. Then select settings. Then select this general option. Come down. See here you can find save search. Save search is off. We should turn it on now. Done. The fourth one is Chrome browser. Mostly we will use Chrome browser. So I am changing the parental control on Chrome browser. In case if you are using some other browser, then you have to change the preference on that. Go here, log in with your account. Already I have logged in. At the top right corner, you can find this 3-dotted button. Click the 3-dotted button. Then select settings. Come down. Select this privacy and security option. Now see here save browsing is off, but you should turn on. Select this enhanced protection option. Once done, come out. Under the same settings, come down here. You can find site settings. Select this site settings. Then come down and select ads. Now ads are allowed. You should turn it off now. This will block most of the inappropriate ads. Once done, come out. Then top left corner you can find this 3 horizontal line. Click that one and select settings. See here, save search filter, show explicit result, hide explicit results. Select hide explicit results, come down and click save. Your preference got saved now. Hope if you follow all these 4 settings, this will filter out most of the explicit content on the internet. Hope all these informations are useful to you. Do follow these 4 settings to protect your kids from internet risk. Do subscribe to my channel.